Hi guys, we'll do a different video for today.
We're going to do an unboxing and review of a GoPro media mod and a wireless microphone. So let's check them out.
Yeah!
Okay, here is our media mod box. The first step is to work out how to open the box. There's a instruction book. So we've got the main media mod here and the little microphone cover thing there. There's a built-in microphone here and power button there, and the back this gives us access, I think, to USB slots. That one, and a microphone jack. Yep, in there. And then we can attach the microphone receiver in here, and if you have a light you can attach it on there. Record button. Okay, that's the media mod. And then we got this dooflacky to attach it. That guy. And that guy. And I think that's it. Yep. Okay, and now let's set it up. Okay, so I have disconnected the GoPro from our tripod. So the first thing we need to do is to open up the side and remove this. So I think we can just squeeze it and pop it off like that. Put that to the side now, we won't need that anymore. And we'll open up the side of the media mod. And then the GoPro should just slide in there, and we can see we've got the USB-C slot in there, and that needs to connect into the GoPro. Okay, and close that down like that. Okay, so now that's attached, and we're going to have to replace our attachment device that we have here because it's too short now because we have the media mod. So we'll remove that. Okay, now we will attach the connecting device that came with the media mod. Put that on there. Like that. Push that down. And then we can connect that to the GoPro. So we'll get these clips up again, and we've got the new screw that goes through, so we'll attach that to the GoPro and screw it in. And there we go, media mod on the GoPro. We'll just attach the little fuzzball and we're ready to go. Okay, let's unbox our wireless microphone. Okay, accessories, a bag of surprises, a little wallet to store them in. Okay, and we've got one of these will be the transmitter, one will be the receiver, and they can clip on, transmitter, receiver. Okay, and what's in the accessories box? Hopefully some useful accessories. Little fuzzballs, 2 little fuzzballs, a wire to connect things, that's always handy, 2 wires to connect things, 3 wires to connect things, 4 wires to connect things, and some stickers. What do we got? USB-C, and I think is that an iPhone thingy maybe, and 2 of these cables. I think one is to connect to the phone and one is to connect to a camera. Anyway, let's plug it in and attach it to the GoPro and see if we can get it working. This is a test with the TRS cable. So, the TRS cable is the one with the grey end and 3 lines on there. And the reason why that didn't work is because this is for phones. So, for the GoPro, we had to use the TRS cable with the 2 black ends and 2 lines on each end.
Hello, this is Imee from Imee and Dazza. If you like our videos, please click the like button and then subscribe to our YouTube channel and also to follow us on Facebook and Instagram.
Okay, so we're doing this test of this microphone and we're going to see how it goes with a bit of noise around. Make sure it still works properly, make sure you can still hear me. So I'm just going to keep talking like this, and that's probably about all we have, right my love?
Hi guys, so we're gonna try our wireless microphone now. See if it will, it still works through the glass door. So now it's open, so we're gonna lock this one. So I'm here outside now, outside our accommodation. So I don't know if you can still hear me. It's a bit noisy outside because, yes. So I hope it's still working.
Hopefully you can hear me now. Hopefully you can hear me now too. Can you still hear me now? If you can hear me, please click the like button. And if you can still hear me, click the subscribe button. Can you really still hear me? What about now? Can you still hear me? If you can still hear me now, I'm very, very impressed. And now? What about now? Can you hear me now? And what about now? Can you hear me now? Probably can't hear me now. Okay, that's the end of the test. After the outdoor test, we noticed a bit of a crackling sound. So we unplugged the microphone and cleaned it out a bit, make sure there's no dust in there, cleaned the cables and plugged it back in, and it was fine. One thing to point out is that the receiver microphone isn't actually working out of the box. You'll need to turn it on via the Rode Central mobile app. Overall, we're pretty impressed with both the media mod and the microphone. Although the microphone had some crackling issues, we've managed to sort that out. The media mod makes it easy to attach the microphone and it's easier to charge, although it's a bit trickier to change the batteries now. Please subscribe to stay tuned for more videos as we make use of these accessories. See you again next time. Bye!
Bye!
Please subscribe to stay tuned for more videos as we make use of our new video vlogging accessories. Please subscribe as we stay tuned to make... What is wrong with me? Please subscribe to stay tuned for more videos as we make use of our new video vlogging accessory. What is video vlogging?